Well, we're kind of emulating the traditional bricklaying method. We're just automating that using a machine. So we still place mortar in a traditional method, and then we place the brick onto the mortar. And then following up behind the machine will be a skilled operator, a mason, that will then perform the pointing functions and the final inspection.
It's one of the last industries that hasn't embraced robotics and moved forward. If you look at bricklaying, the technology goes back thousands of years. A brick was designed to fit in a person's hand and still does. So if you look at the car industry, you look at the food manufacturing industries, they've all advanced with robotics and handling systems. This is still a physically demanding job, so that's where there is a need. Well, the machine could take the architect's plans and then we'll create a digital version of it. So it knows where the windows are, it knows where the doors are, it knows where the lintels are, the tie bars, and every detail of the house. So as the machine goes on, it places the bricks, half bricks, full bricks in exactly the right place.
The average age of the UK bricklaying person is roughly about 50 years old. You never really see a very old bricklayer, and currently you don't see that many young bricklayers. The industry is not attracting younger personnel to come into the industry. So we would like to attract the younger generation, and by doing so incorporating the technology. I think we'll learn the technology. People stay at home playing on their iPads and their Xboxes and etc.
Are met to allow the building to commence. It gives you information like the levels of things like mortar in both the hoppers, current brick number on the course that we're on, mortar level in the upper hopper, mortar level in the lower hopper, current air temperature, wind speed, how many bricks we've laid in this current session. We can go to a full control screen from here, on which we can control every aspect of the robot itself.
Because it's a computer and it can be a web-based system. This allows the on-site manager to sit in his office and monitor the progress of all his machines on site. Again, the production director that sat in the head office, he can look at all his sites globally and see the activity of every single machine in real time. So he can look at what progress is being made or what's not being made. We understand that the current housing market is aimed at building 200,000 houses per year, and currently they're building roughly half that, 100,000. So we aim to fill that gap by basically increasing productivity to bridge that gap of the 100,000 houses.